Okay, you guys think I have a problem, don't you? Doorknobs now. Yeah. Standard, original, classy. Well, like the locking mechanism is really simple. You like grab it. You like only have to grab it with one hand, and then you turn it. And they're not even that slippery. Classic, standard, S tier. Okay. Levers. Why? I mean, I get it. But why? Like the locks, like when you try to lock them, sometimes you hit the lever for no reason. B for no reason. Okay, keypads. I know that you're supposed to lock them with the. I know that you're supposed to lock them with the specific number combination. But why is there a lock like right there, like on the handle? Like I don't get it. D tier. Wait, I should add an F tier. F. F. Okay, this one, I don't really know that much about it, but it looks cool. C. What? Okay, I have these, like a lot of these in my house, but seriously? I mean, I get it, but no. Okay, these ones, they do have more grip. I've actually seen these when I go to Brazil sometimes, but not the best design. B. What? Okay, I don't even get this one, so. How many different types of doorknobs have to go? Okay, this one, I like these ones. I did have them, and I do have them in my house, like a lot of them. So yeah, amazing. S tier. Okay, I'm just gonna move this up a spot. Another lever. There we go. What? So many? Is this supposed to be an improvement from the keypad? Seriously? Why does this one have a face? What is that? I mean, I get that, where you like turn the entire thing. But seriously? Okay, why is there an oval on that one? Like I've seen these in my life, and it goes from like the smoothest thing in the world to like crap. Like you turn it and it feels like total crap. Like, it feels so bad. D. Okay, these ones, I like these ones, but they are pretty slippery, so A. Okay, this is done.